Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 13 GMT. The Eurozone's Industrial Confidence at 9 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Price Index will be released at 9:30 GMT. Japan's Industrial Production at 23:50 GMT. Japan's Retail Trade at 23:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks turned lower while their European counterparts gained as investors monitored progress in tariff talks at the top of an eventful week of corporate earnings and economic data. Tech data weakness weighed heavily on the S&P and Nasdaq. Gold-backed cryptocurrencies have spiked in value amid the global trade war unleashed by President Donald Trump's April 2nd tariffs. Tether Gold and Paxos Gold reached all-time highs, with Tether Gold touching $3,529 and Paxos Gold recording a peak of $3,520. IBM will invest $150 billion in the US, including on facilities for quantum computer production, over the next 5 years, the latest American technology company to back the Trump administration's push for local manufacturing.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the euro gain 0.6% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair rose 1.1%, following a 1.2% intra-session dip. The MACD is giving a positive signal. After a 1% dip during the last session, the Aussie-dollar pair closed with a 0.7% gain. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.